and this is the image I'm gonna change to the background. Look at here, this is the image. I would like to change the background. You see this a tiny squares at the back, and it is white, and also here we have a white on the graphics as well. So to remove perfectly such kind of background is a little bit complex in some other tools. So let me show you the already converted one from the download here, and let me show you from the download. And this is the changed one, as you can see from here, which is transparent. As you can see, everything is perfectly converted from the square background to transparent background. So the question is how we can simply remove the background from a square or from any color to transparent or any other image simply with one click and with very high quality resolution. So today in this particular video, I'm gonna guide you a simple step is how you can remove such kind of image background in a very amazing and a very time-saving manner. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your browser, click on your Chrome browser here. So let me click on my Chrome browser and search for PhotoRoom. So search for PhotoRoom. Okay, so click on the PhotoRoom, and the PhotoRoom website is at the top, www.photoroom.com. This is the official website. You can click on that. All right, this is the official front page and the website. So come here and click login. So you can log in with your email. So I have already email. Just this is my email. That is already my personal space. And then the second step is you can generate the image what you wanna convert. Okay, so click here, and I need to take this image. Then the photo is already generated to the working space on the PhotoRoom. Look at automatically everything is changed with a very simple and single click. So your purpose is only change the background image. What you have to do is done. This is transparent and very clear and high resolution background. Additionally, you can light on your image, your graphics. So it is light off, light on. There is a huge difference on the image, as you can see from here. Light off is not that much light. When you click on the light on, it is really amazing and it's colorful. Just download and save this one in L2, then download. Already your image is already converted or downloaded. So the next step what you have to do again is click on the image here, or the watercolor, blue color. So this is the blue color. Look at the color we have brought here. The next step what you have to do is click in the background and convert from the transparent background to white or black. Okay, let me change the white solid background. Click in solid color. Now the background is completely changed here. And you can also change by selecting any image from here. This is the image, and this is again also the image. You can change as you want, but for me I need the white color at the back. So bring this white color, and this is really an amazing and beautiful one. So I have changed it again. What you have to do is come here and click on the download, and you can select the format either in JPG or you can select on PNG. So for me I need like PNG. This is the high quality one. Now download. So back again, and you will see the image. Okay, this is the original graphics, and you can change the background for the original graphics. Okay, then here click, and you can light on, light off, as I have shown you. So light on, and then go to the background, and then solid background, and I need with the white background. This is really an amazing one, guys. Time saving, energy saving, and I hope you like this application in your desktop. All right, okay, so once you have done everything, the next and the last step what you have to do is again come here and download. Okay, here you have a download icon at here. So download, and you can select your format. The format is a little bit better with PNG. It's the bigger size and with the high quality. Okay, then this is the size is 627 by 507 pixel. Then download. boom, everything is done. All right, so go to your downloading menu, and you can check from the very beginning to last. Click here. This is the original graphics. This is already somehow edited graphics, and this is a transparent background, and this is also edited with transparent background. So this is all about what I have for you. If you are interested, don't forget subscribe and be a family. And you can use free version as well as subscription version in PhotoRoom, which is a revolutionary and life-changing. Use it. God bless you, and don't forget subscribe and be a family. See you soon. Bye bye.